Hey guys, we have a population of bacteria doubles every 3 hours. If you start with the 200 bacteria, how many bacteria will there be after 12 hours? Understand what's happening. The bacteria count doubles every 3 hours. Doubles means multiplied by 2, right? So this happens repeatedly at a fixed time interval every 3 hours. This is called exponential growth. So figure out how many times it doubles. We start at a time equals 0 hours with the 200 bacteria, right? 0 hours and 200 bacteria, right? We want to know the count at time equals 12 hours, right? 12 hours. The doubling happens every 3 hours. To find out how many doublings happen in 12 hours, right? So divide 12, right? 12 hours divided by 3 equals 4, right? Doubling, doublings, right? So in 12 hours the bacteria will double 4 times. Apply the doublings one by one. Start. Okay, 200 bacteria, right? Okay, 200, right? So after first doubling 3 hours, 200 multiplied 2 equals 400, right? After second doubling 6 hours, right? So 400 multiplied 2 equals 800, right? This is first doubling, right? This is second doubling, and this is third. So 800 divided by times 2 equals 1600, right? So first doubling, second and third. First doubling 3 hours, second doubling 6 hours, and third doubling 9 hours, and fourth doubling 12 hours, right? So 1600 multiplied 2 equals 3200, right? So after 12 hours there will be 3200 bacteria.